Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to downgrade from Windows 11 Pro to Windows 11 Home without losing any of your data or installed apps. This is a safe and easy method, so make sure you watch till the end. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Here, I will right click on my Windows icon and select System. As you can see, we are currently running Windows 11 Pro Edition. If you are using the Pro Edition and want to downgrade to Windows 11 Home, this video will guide you through the process step by step without losing any of your data. So let's begin. First, we need to download the latest Windows 11 ISO file from the official Microsoft website. Go to your web browser and search for Windows 11 download. Make sure you download the latest version. Scroll down and find Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for 64-bit devices. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for 64-bit devices. Scroll down and select your product language. You will need to choose the same language when installing Windows. To see what language you are currently using, go to Time and Language in your PC settings, and from there you will find your language there. Once you see it, select it and click on Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Our ISO file is now downloading. Once your download finishes, search for Registry Editor on your Windows search icon. Make sure to run it as administrator. In the registry settings, go to HKey Local Machine, then click on Software, then Microsoft. You are going to scroll all the way down here to Windows NT and click on Current Version. Here are the two areas that I'm going to modify: the product name and the edition ID. The product name, right now it says Windows 10 Pro. Double click on it and change it from Pro to Home. Now the edition ID says Professional. I'm going to double click on that and change that to Core. I'm going to close the registry. Next, locate the ISO file we just downloaded. I click on it and mount it. Make sure to note your drive letter. You can see mine is F. Now search for CMD and make sure to run it as administrator. You're going to type this. Type your drive letter with colon and hit enter. Type DIL to display the content of the mounted ISO. Type CD space sources. Now you're going to type this command: setupprep.exe space /product server and hit enter. This will start prepping the Windows 11 setup. Click on Change how the setup download update. Click on Not right now and click on Next. Accept the license. We are going to keep all personal files and apps, then click on Next. At this point, we are ready to install. Now, as you can see here, we are going to be installing Windows 11 Home Edition. So this is basically going to do an upgrade, except that it is not an upgrade. It is a downgrade from Windows 11 Pro to Windows 11 Home. At this point, Windows 11 Home Edition will install. Just let it go through the process. The install has completed successfully. If I right click on my Windows icon and select System, you can see we have Windows 11 Home. This is the same machine. All my settings remain the same, as well as any apps that I had installed. So we have successfully downgraded from Windows 11 Pro to Windows 11 Home without losing any data. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.